Hello guys, welcome to my database management video series. Question number 13 discussing video. Today they are given to question. Our first question is find the number of letters in full name of all students in grade 11. Our second question is single language and literature. Find the number of letters in this word. Our third question is find the number of letters in the full name of all students in grade 11A class. Fourth question is prepare the first name of all grade 11B student in capital letters. Prepare the names of all the subject in simple letters. And our last question is find the average of the marks obtained by Amanda Moses student in class 11A in all term examination in the subject of science. Okay, now we go to the HeidiSQL software and now we can sort to create our answers. Give this query for my first question. This is select first name, last name, and I set the link concat first name and last name, and I give to as num letters, and I got the details for my student table. We can execute this query and show our values. I give this question for my second question. I had to select sum, length, concat, first name and last name, and I had to add num letters for student table. My question is Sinhala language and literature find the number of letters in this word. Sinhala language and literature subject has any numbers. We can solve this query and find our details. Third question is find the number of letters in the full name of all students in grade 11A classes. I had to query for my HeidiSQL. I give to select sum, length, concat, first name, last name as num letters, and I add to from student table. I give to where condition for class ID student table, and I add to where condition for class 11A table. We can execute this query and give to we can get a value. Fourth question is prepare the name of all the subject in simple letters. This is a fifth question. Fourth question is prepare the first name of all the grade 11B student in capital letters. I give the query for my question. We can so select upper first name from student table and give where condition student class ID from class and give to where condition class name 11B. We can execute this query and give and we can sort to our values. This is my last question's answer. I give the query for this question. Select average mark and from student exam mark record. I give to where condition student exam mark record index number and in select exam index number and from student. After I give to where condition student dot first name equal to Amanda and give to last name equal to Moses and student exam mark record dot subject ID and I give to in select subject ID from subject. I give to where condition subject dot subject name equal to science. I had give to semicolon for here, and after we can execute this query and got the value for our table. Okay, now we meet to another question.